Welcome to another video of tips and tricks on SUSE Linux for SAP. In this video, I'm going to look at on how to apply SAP Notes using Saptune. Let's look at what Saptune is. Saptune is a configuration tool that prepares a system to run SAP workloads like SAP NetWeaver or a SAP HANA system. This tool is part of SLES for SAP subscription and relies on a service called Tune. Now, why do we need Saptune? We need it because we need to apply certain SAP notes to get specific SAP application to work properly. Now, there are various system parameter settings that needs specific values, and these values are hidden within SAP notes. So, Saptune gives you a central framework for configuring SLES to run various SAP workloads based on SAP recommendations. The latest version of Saptune is version 2. Now in this version, there are many SAP notes with improved usability which gives better verification, and every parameter is now configurable unlike in the past. If you are using an older version of Saptune or SAPconf, which is deprecated now, can be migrated to Saptune version 2. Visit the link given on the slide for more information on how to do this. Next, I'm going to do a demonstration on applying a set of SAP notes specific to NetWeaver. In this demo, I'm going to check whether the Tune service is enabled, check the Saptune version, list the notes and solutions, and verify and apply the NetWeaver solution using Saptune. For this demonstration and for this virtual machine, I'm using SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 15 Service Pack 2. Now, by default, the Saptune packages are installed into the system, so I can see Saptune and YAS2 Saptune is being installed into the system. Let's clear the screen and let's see whether we have enabled the Tune service for Saptune. So you can run Saptune, then the daemon status, which shows you that the daemon service is stopped currently, so I can now start that daemon service. Okay, so I have started the daemon service. Let's check the version of the Saptune. So you can run Saptune version to list which version are we using correctly. So we are using version 2. To get the help or to find all the options, you can just run Saptune with double dash and help like this as shown on the screen. This will list down all the options that you can run with Saptune. Now, again, I'm going to clear the screen and then I'm going to list all the Saptune note list. So these are the SAP notes that are currently installed or currently part of the currently available as part of Saptune. So you can see various SAP notes specific to this SUSE Linux Enterprise Server and listed using Saptune note list. To list the solutions, a specific solution, you can use Saptune solution list. This will list down all the Saptune solution list. So you can see there are solutions for HANA, NetWeaver, if you want to run a system with NetWeaver and HANA together, S4HANA. So there are various solutions available as part of Saptune, and each solution is connected with various SAP nodes. So if you apply a certain solution, that solution will install various SAP nodes. For example, we are going to install the NetWeaver solution. It will install these SAP nodes into the system. To view these nodes, you can just run, let me clear the screen again and run the SAP solution list for you so that it's clear. So if you want to run, if you want to verify certain SAP nodes, you can just say Saptune note, sorry, Saptune note verify, and give the SAP node number like this. This will list down all the information as part of that particular SAP node. So you can see it gives the SAP node version, the parameter details, expected parameter settings, the actual parameter, and whether it's compliant at the moment. Now let's apply. Let me clear. Yep, I will. Let's apply Saptune solution. Let's verify first. Solution verify for NetWeaver. This will do the verification and it will show you which nodes are compliant to the at the moment and which are not. Now let's go and apply the the NetWeaver solution. So you can just run Saptune solution apply and the solution name. You can see all tuning options for this SAP solution have been applied successfully. So when you run the solution list again, you will see that this system is now configured or ready to install NetWeaver, and it has applied these nodes specific for NetWeaver. It's so much easy to use Saptune and make sure that systems are ready to run or deploy, implement your SAP solution on SUSE Linux Enterprise Server for SAP. That's all from me. I will come back with another video on a similar topic. Till then, thank you.